So in this video we will look at the CLI and the convenience feature in terms of profile. So you can have different user configurations, and once you've set them you can switch between one and the other, and the benefit is that you don't have to use your to enter your API key at each and every command. So we're going to list the ones we have for now. Okay, there's only one, so I'm gonna create a new one. So we'll see how we're going to do that. So here we're going to create a new one using my existing API key, which is stored in a variable so that you don't see it and reuse it. The user config will be named demo, and we will make it default. So we can see it's been used, and when I list the ones I have, I can see that user config demo we just created is the active one. And now, for instance, we can get the list of all my systems in the file name list.json, and as you can see I no longer have to provide my API key because it's stored in my user config, i.e. my profile. So, and let's have a look at this. And here I now have all of my systems and their configuration.